This is experiment number 5, multi-layer perceptron using PyTorch. We'll start by importing all the necessary modules, and the dataset is that breast cancer. So we are reading the dataset from the sklearn library and assigning it to the variable data. The next question is to choose an independent variable x and a dependent variable y from the dataset. For x, I'm taking the entire data, which is uh, the data, and for y, data.target, and this is the output for x and then for y. Next is standard scalar, that is standardizing the input using standard scalar. So we are assigning the standard scalar function to the variable scalar, and then scalar.fit transform of x. We are just standardizing the x, that is the independent variables. Now splitting the data into training and testing as x train, x test, y train, and y test. The test size of 0.2, and then after that we are converting the input into PyTorch tensors. So that we are using torch dot plot tensor of the particular set. So after converting all the input to PyTorch tensors, we're defining the MLP model layer configuration with its activation function. So this is the activation function with the layers 8, 16, 32, and 64 used. And after that, yeah, let's say the model is now trained or activated. Now, next part is training the model by updating the weights using backpropagation gradient descent. So we are using 100 approach or 100 cycles, and for each approach in range of 100, we are using the optimizer. Then after that, assigning the outputs to model of the X train, and then all the necessary functions here to update the weights. Next one is plotting the training curve with the number of iterations versus the training errors or the training loss. So it's clearly declining and is reaching near to zero when the number of iterations increases. Now the testing phase, testing the um model using the test section, that is a test set of the X column. And here are the results. You can see the first predicted classes as 1, 0, 0, and 1. Next is to display the confusion metrics and the performance analysis. So these are the performance analysis for this particular model with an accuracy of 0.9825 and precision of 9859, a recall of 9859, a score of 9859, and the confusion metrics as shown here. Uh, Thank you.